Hi everyone, we are Group 38 and this is Exequiel Manalo together with Nathaniel Cajuday. In this video, we'll walk you through our updated classes, which are Counselor class, the Advisor class, and later on, the Counseling Schedule class, where we applied encapsulation using access modifiers in Python. Now, as you can see, we have already made the name, the schedule, the updated schedule, and the email private by adding double underscores as what was discussed in this module. This basically hides these attributes from direct access outside the class. Now here below, we use the getters and setters method so we can safely access or update those private attributes. We have here get name, get email, get schedule, and get updated schedule, which returns the value. We also have the set email, which updates the email with basic validation. And as you can see, we also have here the updated schedule, or the update schedule rather, which changes the schedule without exposing the variable directly. Now, here below we have the sample test code, wherein we tested the class by creating a counselor and calling the public methods. This basically confirms that our private attributes are accessed and updated correctly through safe methods. So let's try clearing out the terminal and try running the code again to see if it's working. And as you can see, there's no error or value error recorded when the code was run. Now let's move on to the advisor class. And just like with the counselor class, we have also applied encapsulation here in the advisor class by setting key attributes such as the advisor's name, department, email address, and contact number, which are now set to private to help us protect the data and avoid direct changes from outside the class, similar as how we did the counselor class. Now to interact with these attributes, we created getter methods like get name, get department, get email address, and get contact number to safely retrieve the values. And also we have implemented setter method for updating the advisor's email, which also includes a basic validation check to make sure that the format is correct. Now for testing, we instantiated an advisor object and verified that all methods work properly without exposing any private data directly. So let's try running it again. Let's clear out the existing output in the terminal and let's try running the advisor class. As you can see, there was no error recorded as well in testing our advisor class. Now overall, this class follows the same logic as the counselor class. And as you can see, and as you may have noticed and observed, we have prioritized data protection while still allowing flexibility through public methods. Now let's move on to the counseling schedule.
Okay. So hello everyone. I'm so sorry for that. I'm on my work right now and I am using my work laptop. And I'm so sorry. There is an event in this in my workplace, and that's why there's a background noise. That's that we can hear. So this is my encapsulated code for counseling appointment schedule. Um, I put this definition to clarify that this is an encapsulation of the previous activity that we submitted and we created. Okay, so we decided the ID of the student, the ID of the counselor, the appointment date, and the appointment time as private attributes. So these are and we also decided that the schedule, the constant are completed will be a private attribute once the current status has been confirmed now after being pending. Okay, so uh, okay, so so let's go to this part. Okay, so um, uh, for this, what I imagine is that a cancelled or completed counseling schedule or session is already considered that. So this is where the schedule appointment will what do you call this? Uh, will return will return to false. Okay. I am so sorry. I was distracted by the noise outside. Okay. And for cancel appointment, uh, uh, so sorry for the cancel appointment. I somehow want to put that uh this word because it's for me it is useful that uh though we have already canceled or scheduled on this string, no, for this part I found it useful that there will be no redundant cancels, no, that will happen in the program. So for this one, um uh, sorry, so this is my getter method. So the getter methods, um I'm so distracted, I'm sorry, but the getter methods, I find it useful or also so that um uh, we can when we want to add something, we won't touch everything, kumbaga. So we don't have to change the other things with this getter method. Okay? And then for uh okay, so I created this encapsulation because it prevents accidental what do you call this? Accidental tampering, when we call that. So as policy changes with counseling schedules, no, well, this will make the class safe, okay, and thus this will be a trustworthy program. So this I guess this code uh, helps a lot that it keeps our data safe while it is run. So I'm so sorry uh, for my distracted reporting, but this is our encapsulated code for counseling schedule. Thank you.